Hey guys, I'm back with another video and with another product. This time we will be reviewing Mi Band 5. As you can see from the box that I have in my hand, this is the Chinese version of Mi Band 5, and I wanted to check myself what this variant has because there are confusions regarding NFC and SpO2 sensor. So I wanted to check, as far as I can understand from the box, that this model has 125 mAh battery, 5 atm pressure resistance. After unboxing, this is what you will get: a box, a Mi Band 5, a charging cable, a magnetic charging cable, and a manual. So this is how the Mi Band 5 looks like. It looks very similar to Mi Band 4, and the design wise it is very similar to it, but you have this the heart rate sensor, and of course magnetic charging latch that is available here. So to charge the Mi Band 5, all you have to do is just to bring this magnetic latch in front of the magnet, and here you go, hassle-free charging. This is how you charge the Mi Band 5, the new Mi Band 5, and it is very hassle-free. But if you want to change the band, then you can take out the module out of the band. That is still possible. So this is how the band looks on my wrist, and it is pretty much comfortable. I'm very comfortable wearing this. The band looks very premium and the quality is awesome. It is very light and looks similar to a Mi Band 4, but with a little bit of minor improvements in the aesthetics of the design. That's all guys. So in the next video I will charge the device up and I will check the working of the UI of this device and how it functions and how accurate is its sensors. So that's all guys.